Hi and welcome to Western Estonia. Today we are gonna have a closer look at the magical mirror cabin FIKA, which is right down there. As we approach the cabin, we can see that it beautifully reflects the surrounding forest and perfectly hides the interior. The cabin comes with a wooden deck, outdoor seating and a barbecue place. But now it's time to have a look inside. Let's start with the bedroom and just enjoy the amazing view to the beautiful nature for a moment. And thanks to the mirror windows, you don't have to worry about someone looking inside. The cabin also comes with a little dining area and a kitchenette. And don't worry, a mobile stove is included as well. We finish inside with a quick look into the bathroom, which comes with a toilet on the left and a shower. Back outside, there is one more highlight left that I really need to show you. It's your private mirror sauna. How cool is that? The sauna is wood-fired and comes with the same great views as your cabin, thanks to the mirror windows. We finished the tour back above the beautiful pine forest with a view to the ocean, which is just a quick walk away. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.